Hey there, these are the 18-liter Patriot bags from Viking, and I have them installed on my 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse. I've been running these for about a month now, and in this video I'm going to go over the things that I like, and then we'll take these out on a real-world test. The first thing that stands out to me is styling. They definitely look like they belong on the bike and complete the look without taking anything away. They even have a cutout for my shock reservoir. Capacity-wise, 18 liters has been plenty of space for what I need. Gloves, tools, camera gear, water bottle, and even takeout. I basically don't need to carry a backpack anymore. Viking also included some organizational pockets on the inside, which are perfect for my phone. This is a nice touch as it keeps things organized instead of just throwing them into a giant compartment. There's also a zippered compartment on the inside, which is great for smaller items like registration, insurance, charging cables, wallet, and other things you just wouldn't want floating around in the bag. On the outside of the bag, you've got another zippered storage area that's easy to access. This is actually where I store my rain covers in case I need to reach for them quickly. Another feature is the MOLLE system on the exterior of the bags. If I want to add additional pouches, a first aid kit, tool storage, carabiners, or any other gear down the road, the attachment points are already there. Lastly, each bag has this hidden pocket on the outside. It's a feature that isn't really advertised in the marketing, but it's been extremely useful for quick access to my toll tag and garage clicker. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and take these out for a real world test. So for my first mission, I'm gonna go pick up an order of Korean fried chicken from Bonchon. I'm picking up a 5-piece chicken with some rice and some fries. Will it fit in one saddlebag? Will I have to split it into two? Will it not fit at all? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. Perfect. I'll just park it right here. Thank you so much. All right. Ooh, that's a good shot. Yeah, that's cool. All right, will it fit? It looks like it will, but I may have to split the order up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put this guy right here. Oh, actually, you know what? Oh, no way. It all actually might fit. Let's see. I scoot you here, scoot you there. Do a little bit of Tetris. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to split it. No. Will it close? It does fit. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I love these saddlebags already. Let's go. So, as you can see, if you do plan on placing an order for 5 drumsticks, a side of coleslaw, rice, and french fries, you will have plenty of room. Hell, go ahead and place an order of 10. Order a 10-piece. Get sides for the whole family. You got enough space, brother. You do you. Live your best life. Anyways, that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.